Hey developers, I hope you are doing good. So I just wanted to show you a quick tip about Tailwind CSS because I have seen developers are still using width and height classes to create a square box. So let me demonstrate what I'm trying to say. As you can see, I am on the Tailwind playground with nothing, just a div container with the background gray 300, width full and height set to screen. So I'll create a div element and let me add classes. So what normally developers are going to do to make a square box is width, let's say 20, and height, let's say 20, and let's have a background color of red 500. So as you can see, I have used width and height class to make a square box. Let me just copy and paste this couple of times. So as you can see, I have added 3 boxes. Let me add margin top so you can see each of the square box. Let me change the color as well. So maybe green 500 and maybe blue 500. Okay. So instead of using width and height classes, you can replace this width and height class with the size class. So let me do that. So as you can see, nothing has changed in the output. So the size class does the exactly same thing as the width and height class does. So you can also read about the size classes available in the Tailwind CSS. Another tip I want to show you to get rid of these margin top classes. So instead of adding margin top class, I can wrap these div elements inside another div container. So instead of using margin top 5, let me remove these classes. So what you can do, you can add this into a flex container and set the flex direction to column, and then you can add space y to 5. So that will do exactly the same things. So instead of using margin top on each of these elements, you can use space y on the parent container to have the spacing between elements. So these are the couple of things I wanted to show you. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, just press the subscribe button to have more tips and tricks about Tailwind CSS and front-end web development. See you in another video.